Consul General of Israel in New York to share words here at the celebration.
Chanukah Sameach. You know, the first decision I had to make when I entered this room was which Hasidut I am. I mean, I have to identify myself. So actually I have a Hasidut. I consider myself a square Chassid. And I will tell you the story. The story is that when I was appointed by Prime Minister Netanyahu to serve as Consul General in New York, the following day I received an email from a Jew named Shlomo Gruber. I didn't know so much about him then. He wrote me in Hebrew, but you know, kind of Yiddish Hebrew. Gruber with an I, of course. And he told me, you know, Mazel Tov, etc., etc. And he told me, you know, you are part of the Dayan family, the family of Moshe Dayan. The famous Moshe Dayan was a distant relative of me, here was a common great-grandfather with my late father. I want you to know that your family in Europe were a Skver Hasidim in Zhashkov in Ukraine. And not only that, when the Alter Rebbe would come to Zhashkov, he would stay at the home of your ancestor, Reb Pinchas Dayan. Dayan actually was the way it was pronounced. So I would like to know if you want to visit the Rebbe. I said, of course, it will be a great privilege. So the following day, he replied again. He said, I spoke with the Rebbe's son, and he said that the Rebbe will be glad to meet Ma'alat Kvodo, your honor. So when I arrived to New York, after settling down, after the Chagim, I arrived in August, so after the Chagim, I contacted the New Square, the mayor of New Square, Izzy Spitzer, and he said, sure, come, we will arrange I came to New Square, and he took me to the Rebbe. I entered the room of the Rebbe. Obviously, I walked in the sidewalk of the men, not the sidewalk of the women. I understood the Yiddish that says men and women. And a lot of Hasidim entered with me the room. 10, 15 Hasidim wanted to enter with me the room. The Rebbe looked at them and said, out. So I stayed with the Rebbe, I think, more than almost 2 hours. We spoke about everything. The first thing he told me, do you have a son or a daughter that are not married? I said, yes, I have a daughter. So he said, do you need a shidduch? I said, I'm not sure my daughter will want your shidduchim. But we had a wonderful conversation about a lot of things, and since then I am invited to all the simchas in New Square of the Rebbe. The first time I came to one of his granddaughter's weddings, he told me, remember, you are not a guest here, this is your home. So I represent here Square. But I am glad to be in Chanukah here, because you know Chanukah, first and foremost, is a holiday, is a festival in which we celebrate our adherence to Judaism. And you know, again, I will mention my relation to Square, because I remember that in one of the weddings, one of the first weddings I went in Square, in my way out, I asked myself, Danny, why are you so happy after this wedding? You are so different from the groom and the bride and the father and the Zayde of the... Why are you so happy? And my answer to myself is that I was so happy because I knew that the children of this marriage will be Jewish and will remain Jewish, and most probably also the grandchildren and the great-grandchildren. So really I am so happy to be here in Hanukkah. Hanukkah is also a festival in which we have reminded that we have to fight anti-Semitism, as our MC said. Because actually, ultimately what our enemies wanted those days was to persecute those that perform Jewish rituals and continue with Jewish traditions. And yes, I must admit, in spite of the fact that I am a squarer, and in spite of the fact that not everyone would agree with me here, I am also a staunch believer in Zionism, in the state of Israel, in the vitality and the necessity for the Jewish people of an independent state in Eretz Israel, and also that is the symbol of Hanukkah. Therefore, I am extremely glad to be here. I thank you, Borough President and the Borough Park JCC for the invitation. And I would like to conclude by joining the words of appreciation to you, Borough President Adams, that you didn't hear because they were said, but I'm sure they'll be repeated before we arrive. But we also, the Square Hasidim, adhere to those words of praise to you. Thank you so much.